How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We have some mysterious whales that continue to buy cryptocurrency and some whales that we know exactly who they are, but they continue to buy day after day, it seems like. I want to cover that for you real quick. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification underneath the video. I'm going to try to keep this short because I am going to a few things, but I thought this was really important to talk about. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. There's a link to Margex. There you can long or short different cryptocurrencies. Yesterday I talked about a Solana trade I may have put on that I may have made about 25% on over an hour. You can trade a bunch of different cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin to Caspa to ADA, Solana, BNB, and you can use all different forms of collateral. We're getting ready for a campaign here where you can win some extra money as well. You just do your normal trading. So be on the lookout for that. There's no KYC, which means you don't have to tell them your name, your address, anything like that. You just sign up with an email, a password, and make sure that you check their terms and conditions, and you can sign up. And if you already have an account, you can refer other people and get 40% of whatever they spend as well on the platform. Now, cryptocurrency is popping up a bit today. Bitcoin back near 43,000. Yesterday, people were worried. We fell into the 42s, lower 42s. Some altcoins were falling, but now we continue to see some strength here. I talked about yesterday how Bitcoin dominance was at a very key point. If you haven't seen that video, or where I talked about how we're at a golden cross for Bitcoin, which is typically really bullish, go check out that video. But yesterday, I think a lot of the morning was just people talking about Mt. Gox. Mt. Gox, Mt. Gox. Everyone's getting their crypto back. People are selling, all that, pushing down the price. Digital Asset News says he's heard about Mt. Gox finally getting payments back in 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and of course, yesterday. Now, it sounds like they actually are getting payments, but this could be over a very long time, and I don't think it really matters that much over the long term. Like I said yesterday, it's actually quite bullish because we can get that behind us, hopefully. Now, with that being said, some people took advantage yesterday. Some people took advantage and bought a significant amount. Mr. 4 million bought 8,264 Bitcoin yesterday. He bought it for $352 million. So he did sell a bit right before that. That was around 43K. Now he continued to buy. I can show you this account. We have no idea who this guy is or who this woman is or person, whatever. We have no idea who this is, but they continue to stack sats. I mean, we can go all the way back. It's just significant buys. I mean, 100 Bitcoin, 100 Bitcoin, 100 Bitcoin, 100 Bitcoin, sometimes multiple times a day. But yesterday was his biggest shopping spree in a while, going from 32,000 Bitcoin all the way up to 41,000. They actually bought more Bitcoin than they had even when they started selling just about 2 weeks ago. And these are significant buys. 132 Bitcoin, 639 Bitcoin, 1,526 Bitcoin. And I say buys because most likely they are buying. I can't imagine someone would have $350 million worth of Bitcoin on an exchange somewhere unless they just bought it. Like, that just seems like it'd be dumb to me, unless they have it in another wallet. Now, we continue to see other individuals buy, and it's hard to know exactly who these people are. Obviously, people that have deep pockets. This is a website that I'd love to, if you haven't already checked this out, BitInfo Charts. I've talked about it in a lot of videos. There's a lot of information, but some people are a lot more obvious with what they're doing. Some people just come out and say it. We know exactly who they are. MicroStrategy has acquired an additional 14,620 Bitcoin for $615.7 million at an average price of $42,110 per Bitcoin. As of yesterday, MicroStrategy hodls 189,000 Bitcoin acquired for $5.9 billion at an average price of $31,168 per Bitcoin. They are one of the best investors of last year. They 2.5x their money. They're in the profit significantly. We're talking billions of dollars. Their stock price is doing really well. And they continue to buy more. They can continue to issue debt or issue more shares to get more Bitcoin. I mean, think about that. They can just issue more shares and then buy more Bitcoin. Issue more shares, buy more Bitcoin. And as they do that, the value of that Bitcoin goes up because it's in strong hands. There's less people that can buy, which causes their stock price to go up, which makes it easier for them to sell more stock. It's amazing. It's an amazing situation that they have there. And they've been able to get cheap debt as well, which always helps. They continue to buy. Michael Saylor said that he's going to continue to buy at all-time highs forever. He's just going to continue to buy. It doesn't matter the price for him. That is the kind of person that you want buying the assets that you hold. One that has no care in the world for the price. He's going to buy at 100,000 plus. He's going to buy at 1 million plus. He's going to continue to stack. And this adds to buying pressure, adds to the price action. Now, they basically hold about 1% of the supply. It's close to 1% of the total supply of Bitcoin. Not quite there because there's supposed to be 21 million. So 210,000 Bitcoin would be 1%. But when you account for everything that's lost, it's pretty much 1%, actually more than 1%. So we have people like Michael Saylor that continue to buy. We have some of the rich lists continuing to buy. And this is because short-term holders are capitulating. Yesterday, $2 billion worth of Bitcoin was sent to exchanges from short-term holders. Second biggest transfer this year. Meanwhile, $1 billion was sent at a loss. I mean, think about that. You buy at 44,000 and then you sell at 42. Like, that is some real, pardon my language, real stupid capitulation. I know that's not really a swear word. I swear off camera, but I try to keep it clean for everyone in the videos. So we have people that are buying Bitcoin and then freaking out when it goes down $2,000, $2,500. That's nuts. This is bullish though, as Bitcoin held 40K again from that sell pressure. People underestimate the asset. I've been saying this for a long time. There are entities, whether it's this whale, whether it's Michael Saylor, whether it's countries, that continue to step in and continue to buy Bitcoin. They don't care the price because they know that they have a lot of money that they need to buy Bitcoin with. So whether Bitcoin's 40 or 37 or 50, they don't really care. They just need to dump money in. So they'd rather just buy whenever there's a small dip. They want to buy. They need to buy. They need to dollar cost average. So we continue to see really strong price action from Bitcoin, even with a lot of selling pressure. It just gets swallowed up. So I am bullish on this asset. If you couldn't tell, I'm really excited for Bitcoin over the next year. That's also why I've been making multiple videos every day. 3 videos yesterday, 4 the day before on Christmas. I had 4 videos go up. So if you want to see more videos like that, let me know by hitting the subscribe button. Also, make videos on other cryptocurrencies like Solana. I did a video on that yesterday. I talked about a very bullish prediction from another technical analysis analyst, someone that focuses on TA. So you can see that video as well. And if you want me to do a video on Matic, let me know because it has been racing up. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Check out Margex underneath the video.